that we have. Late tonight is going to carry a threat, but it does look like Friday afternoon into Friday evening. That's when all of these ingredients are going to be coming together. A couple of factors that we watch for: that storm energy, of course, that's brought to you by the sunny conditions that we'll likely see on Friday. Not seeing it at the moment there in Dallas, but as I had mentioned, some of that low-level moisture moving on in. Speaking of, that's number 2 out of 4, as that moisture from the Gulf of Mexico. This area of low pressure, which is strengthening as it's just on the lee side of the Rockies, we're going to see that moisture funnel on into that area of low pressure. And then the wind shear. At the surface, we have those south winds at about 10,000 feet or so. We've got those winds coming out of the southwest. With that type of wind profile, this is supportive of perhaps a strong tornado. We have to watch to see how these storms evolve. That is paramount, because one thing that is often a limiting factor, especially in Texas, is the fact that we have ample moisture from the Gulf of Mexico. It's making Dallas this afternoon cloudy. That will prevent or limit some of that severe development, but we do need to follow and pay attention to what's going to happen. That potential for those EF2 or stronger tornadoes there from Dallas points east right through Texarkana, so that's one of the threats that we have to watch for on Friday. It all gets going, though, later this evening. There's that moisture as we head into the afternoon and the evening. Watch as those storms develop. These are the storms that have that potential to rotate, so it's something to follow pretty carefully, especially on Friday. And we'll be watching how this evolves throughout the day on Friday, even into Saturday, because it looks like a good chunk of the Mid-South going to see a lot of rain.